The Lost Legend. How the Pontiac G8 GXP challenged the European elite, the era of the emotive performance sedan is fading. As rising fuel costs and tighter maintenance budgets push consumers toward dependable, economical commuters, the high-performance four-door is becoming a rarity. Modern replacements often rely on downsized engines and electrification. While efficient, these vehicles frequently lack the aggressive, mechanical soul that enthusiasts crave. However, there was once a brief window where raw power and practical utility collided perfectly. During the golden age of performance sedans, 2000-2010, manufacturers bridged the gap between luxury executive cars and track-ready machines. While legends like the BMW M5 and Mercedes-Benz E63 AMG dominated the headlines, a forgotten American underdog was quietly delivering world-class performance at a fraction of the cost. The Pontiac G8 GXP. A tragic irony, success amidst collapse. The story of the Pontiac G8 is defined by tragic timing. The brand was arguably entering its most exciting era, rediscovering its performance roots, just as its parent company, General Motors, faced a total systemic collapse. By 2009, Pontiac's lineup was a tale of two extremes. On one hand, it featured uninspired, badge-engineered models like the G3. On the other, it boasted world-class machines like the rear-wheel drive G8. Despite the critical acclaim for the G8, the brand could not outrun the 2008 global financial crisis. When GM entered Chapter 11 bankruptcy, the U.S. Treasury mandated a leaner corporate structure. To ensure survival, GM was forced to consolidate into four core brands: Chevrolet, Cadillac, Buick, and GMC. Consequently, Pontiac, an 84-year legacy, was shuttered on October 31, 2010, cutting short the life of its most promising performance contender. The engineering, Corvette power in a four-door frame. The Pontiac G8 was not a domestic design from the ground up. It was a global powerhouse. Built on the GM Zeta platform developed by GM's Australian subsidiary, Holden, the G8 was a spiritual successor to the Bonneville and Grand Prix. The pinnacle of this lineup was the G8 GXP, a vehicle that brought import fighter DNA to the American market. Its heart was the legendary 6.2-liter LS3 V8, the same naturally aspirated, all-aluminum engine found in the C6 Chevrolet Corvette. Performance specifications: output, 415 horsepower and 415 lb-ft of torque. Acceleration, 0-60 mph in approximately 4.5 seconds. Quarter mile, completed in roughly 13 seconds. Transmission, choice of a 6-speed automatic or a Tremec TR60 66-speed manual. Top speed, electronically governed at 155 mph, with a theoretical potential exceeding 175 mph. The LS3 engine was celebrated for its elegant simplicity. By using an overhead valve, pushrod design, GM achieved a lower center of gravity and a smaller physical footprint compared to more complex dual overhead cam engines. This architecture offered immense reliability and a massive ecosystem of proven components, making it a favorite for both daily drivers and high-performance enthusiasts. Precision handling and executive comfort. The G8 GXP wasn't just about straight-line speed. It was engineered to compete with European driving dynamics. Mechanical sophistication to manage the LS3's power, the GXP featured several critical upgrades. Suspension. The FE3 performance-tuned suspension utilized stiffer valving and progressive rate springs to minimize body roll during high-speed cornering. Braking. A heavy-duty Brembo system featuring 14-inch vented front rotors and 4-piston aluminum calipers provided massive stopping power. Footwork, model-specific 19-inch polished aluminum wheels wrapped in high-performance summer tires ensured maximum mechanical grip. A driver-centric cockpit inside. The G8 GXP managed to balance raw aggression with executive luxury. The cabin featured deeply bolstered leather sport seats designed to hold drivers in place during high-G maneuvers, yet remained comfortable enough for long-distance touring. The interior was highly equipped for its time, featuring dual-zone automatic climate control and heated 8-way power seats. a premium 230-watt Blaupunkt audio system with 11 speakers and dual subwoofers, integrated technology, including OnStar navigation, and a 6.5-inch color display. Despite its performance focus, the Zeta platform's long wheelbase ensured the car remained a practical daily driver, offering expansive rear legroom and a substantial trunk. Conclusion: the Pontiac G8 GXP remains a what-if of automotive history, a vehicle that proved American engineering could rival European luxury through sheer mechanical prowess. It stands as a testament to a lost era of high-performance sedans that prioritized driver engagement over digital assistance.